guys, welcome to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. This time I have prepared some very popular products for you guys. They are our newly launched Sublimation 9 panel, tote bag, and pillow cover. Maybe you guys have seen these two products somewhere else, but ours are different and much better because they are both two-side printable. They have 9 panels on each side for sublimation printing. 18 blank panels in total for you to print more photos and more text. So without further ado, let's just jump straight to see how to print.